This is a Brooklyn Music Factory tutorial! Intro to rhythm notes. We've got lots of fun rhythm games for you to play, but in order to get started, we're going to need to learn the names of a few rhythm notes, as well as what they look and sound like. This note is called a whole note. It kinda looks like a donut. This is how we say it and play it. Whole note, hold it. Let's practice one measure together. Say it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note, hold it. Excellent. Let's move on. This note is called a half note. It kind of looks like a net to catch butterflies. This is how we say it and play it. Half note. Let's practice one measure of half notes together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, half note. Sweet! Let's keep going. This note is called a quarter note. It kind of looks like a golf club. 4! Look out! This is how we say it and play it. Quarter. That's it. Let's practice one measure of quarter notes together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, 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 quarter. Nice. Are you ready for a challenge? Now let's put some of these notes together to make some funky rhythm songs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note. Oh yeah! Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note, hold it. Half note, half note. Nice. Let's do that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note, hold it. Half note, half note. Yep, let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note, hold it. Half note, half note. You are crushing it. Let's do one more funky rhythm song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, quarter, quarter, whole note, hold it. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, quarter, quarter, whole note, hold it. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, quarter, quarter, whole note, hold it. Oh yeah, you did it. It's time to play some rhythm games.